So here we are at the Fast and Furious section of vehicles. Look at the wall first. So we are right here. So I'm kind of wondering if these are the Tokyo Drift ones, possibly. I don't know. Oh no, this one here is not Tokyo Drift. Mad Max.
Oh, that's
This here is from Mad Max. And if you didn't read it, that was actually not even a real supercharger on there. It was just on there for aesthetic purposes only just for show. So now we're gonna stop this portion and get ready to head over that way.